Just got done talking to the neighbor, so I'm going to continue this video. Got some tomatoes in pots here. These are 10-gallon fabric pots. That's a Paul Robeson, another one of those heirlooms, and there's some. These two plants here are Russian tarragon, and there's a sage. All my sage are flowering, and they look great. Another BHN 602. Those are ones that I started from seed. For some reason, all of those survived the hailstorm without too much damage. And there's another Cherokee purple, and there's a jalapeno. This is one I got at HEB. And these are my sagos that I've been propagating. I just noticed that they're starting to put on a new set of fronds. You can see them coming out right there, or some of them are. And these got beat up really bad by the hailstorm. You can see where they have the brown spots. It's where they got hit by hail. So I've got a bunch of these, and I'm gonna probably use a few of them and give a few of them away. Some other things, I've got kind of an herb garden here that's going. This is spearmint right here, and it'll spread through and take over everything if you let it. So, and that's kind of what it's been doing. And these are garlic chives, which do very well here. They like the heat. That next plant that you see here is lemon balm, and over next to it there's a catnip plant, and there's another catnip plant there, and there's another catnip plant over on the other side of that little garden area. Catnip reseeds itself and does very well here. In the center here there's some chives, big old flat leaf Italian parsley plant, a couple of more sage plants, and that's a cauliflower right there, and it's got a bunch of marigold plants around it. In the pots we've got some more herbs. This is thyme and parsley. That one's got thyme and some parsley in it, curly parsley. This pot over here has lemon balm and a beautiful sage plant. This garden here is one of the neighborhood cats' favorite place to dig up and poop in. So every time I plant something in here, it doesn't do well. I do have a couple of nice nasturtiums in here. There's a nasturtium there and there that are little. That one just germinated. And then there's one over there that's pitiful. And these are leeks in here, and they don't get much sun, so they're not very big. There's another pretty good sized nasturtium in there, and these are marigolds that have reseeded themselves from a plant that I grew. There's more of them in here and over here, and there's a nice nasturtium right there that's in the middle next to the chives. These are my sago palms. They got burned by the cold again this year, and they should be coming out with new fronds pretty soon. Okay, that's about it for now. And so on that note, I'll end the video.